Welcome to Mirador Collecion here in Arabian Ranches 1. So as I always promise you, I like to do drive-throughs of communities just so you can get a feel for what are these areas, especially when you see properties for sale online, but you don't really know how they look. Now I am also here because I have an amazing property for sale in this neighborhood. So check out as I'm just driving up and down the street so you can just get a feel for how Mirador is. Now, of all the Arabian Ranches 1 properties, these are the most spacious, the largest, and you are going to find the largest plots here. You're also literally just across from the golf course here as well. So for any of you golf fans, this is definitely the location that you want to be in. And also it's important to note, this is literally 7 days from the largest rainfall in 75 years. And as you can see, everything is back to normal. There was I don't think there's any flooding in Mirador. There was a little bit of flooding at the beginning entrance to Arabian Ranches on the main highway, but it did not affect the homes here. So check out these properties. And yes, you're going to need to have a budget over 10 million dirham for these properties. I do have a hot deal coming on. So if you want, get in touch with me and I will let you know more about that property for sale. And yes, a lot of people now are buying these properties and then doing renovations in them, but you've got a lot of space, land, definitely space for swimming pools here. And this is an EMA community, so you are also close to the facilities as well. You've got the golf club area, and you've also got a licensed restaurant and golf shop and a bar there as well. So there's lots very, very close by. So anyway, thank you so much for watching my video as always, and look at the description below in the video here for more details on the property I have for sale. And let's get chatting. And you can buy property even if you don't have a bank account in Dubai and you don't live here. So anyway, from me to you, take care. Thank you.